From an elevation overlay surface, you can create a machine data surface. So now that you have the overlay, I can click on Create Machine Data Surface, choose the overlay, and you can see I can only choose elevation. I can give the surface a name. I can call it an overlay surface. You can see here the boundary name, the machine, the date range filter. So I can now basically click Create, and what it's going to do is it's going to load the points from the machine data. See, there's quite a bit of points that are going to come in. It's actually going to create a scan. So once you have this scan, it's basically a point cloud, and you can use that point cloud and use the point cloud functions and features in Business Center that we discussed in earlier editions and in videos, and manipulate that surface. So you can clean it up, you can add scan points from it, but what you have now is a surface that's been created from the scan. So you can see here the scan. It's got an overlay scan here, overlay surface, as well as it's created an overlay surface here. So now I can close this and I can look at this in a 3D view, and you'll see I have a surface that represents the data that was collected from the machine. So I could consider this an as-built surface. Like I said, there's some maybe possibly anomalies in the point cloud that you want to clean up. So you can use the point cloud functionality to come in here and remove these points. You can see there's some holes that can be filled in with some ground-based topo using a rover or a total station. But very quickly you can use that overlay to create a surface, and I can use this surface for volume comparisons and other reporting features that I can do on this surface.